Hello everyone. Hello. Yesterday in maths we have done our unit 5 students. I hope you all have done unit 5 in your notebook as well as in your book. Very good. Today I am going to start our practice sheet, and this sheet you have to do in your notebook, in your book only, in your book only. In your book only. Let us start practice it. But students, keep in your mind, those students have done unit 5 all exercise in a very good manner. Then they have do this practice exercise within 5 minutes. But those students have not didn't practice, then they are not able to give any answer. It means you have to do full practice of unit 5. I hope you all have done. I know that my students are very intelligent. They all have done unit 5. Okay, let us start our practice sheet. Practice test 1. My first, they have given practice test in a MCQ form, that means multiple choice questions. Here they have given 4 options. You have to choose right option, then tick and fill. First is 76 multiplied by, I don't know, you have to fill with the given options, is equal to 76,000, is equal to 76,000. Students, have you learned facts of multiplication? Yes. When ones place tens and hundreds, 3 zeros are there. That means we have to multiply by 1000. We have to multiply by 1000. And main and number we have to write left side, and 3 zeros, ones, tens, hundred, we have to write right side. Here 3 zeros are there, 1, 2, 3. That means we have to multiply by 1000. We have to multiply by 1000. Okay, because here product number and with 30, okay. Then we have to tick here 1000, and we have to write here also 1000. Now next is, if a grasshopper cover 15 centimeter in a jump, if a grasshopper cover 15 centimeter in jump, then in 20 jumps he covers. Here, if a grasshopper 15 and they have given 20, it means 15 multiplied by 20. No need to do any calculation in rough work. You have to multiply in your mind only. This is mentally calculation. 15 multiplied by 20, and last in a number, last digit is 0. Then you can do it very easily. 15 multiplied by 2, 30. 15 twos are 30. And this one 0, we have to put right side. And 15 multiplied by 2, 30. 30 we have to write left side. Here that means 30 and 300. That means 300. CM is there. And last, in word problem exercise, I told you, whenever in questions they have given any unit like cm, km, kg, rupees, then you have to write. Then we have to put tick here. We have to put tick here. The right answer is 300. The right answer is 300. Now next is 529 multiply by 25 multiply by They have not given. This is for you, is equal to 5,000, sorry, 52,900. 52,900. How can we do this, students? See, 529, 529. Then 25 multiply by, here is 20, here is 20. Then how can we change? Just imagine your mind. Yes, 529, 529. That means here is 25. If we multiply by 25, then it's not possible to come here 0. Then what we can do? Just think about it. Yes, we have to change one number into 0. If we multiply 25 multiply by 4, then we get 100. Then we get 100. Here is 20, na? Then we change one digit into, like, it change into 100. Then here is 25. If we can multiply by, if we multiply by 4, then we get 100. We can 100, and we have to multiply by, then we get here. Fine, student. That means we have to write here 4. We have to write here 4. Are you getting my point? See here, students. In product, they have given 20. They have given last 20, and with this product and with 0. That means we have to need a one multiplier which also having 0. How many 0? 20. But here is 25. Then what we can do? We have to need change into this number, smallest number, into 100. How can we change? If we multiply by 4, then we get 100. Then we get 100. So that means 529 multiplied by 100. Then here we have to put 20, and this number we have to put this left side. Getting my point? Now next is the product of 6,000 5 times and 0 and 0. Listen my point. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer, the product is always 0. The product is always 0. That means our answer is 0. Don't be puzzled. They have given here 0. The product of 6,000 5 times and 0. The product. That means we multiply 6,000 multiplied by 5 times multiplied by 0. 0, that means we know that when we multiply any number by 0, then product is always 0. Then we have to put here on 0. The next is 25 tricycle. And tricycle having 3 wheels. A tricycle having 3 wheels. 25 tricycle have dash wheels. That means we have to multiply by 3. Because a tricycle having 3 wheels. Then we need to multiply by 25 tricycles have dash wheels. That means one cycle having 3 wheels. Then we have to multiply by 3. If you multiply by 3, 25 multiplied by 3, then what is the answer? 75. Okay. You have to tick and then fill the answer. The next one is, when we multiply the greatest 3-digit number. What is the 3-digit number? Greatest 3-digit number? 999. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. And when we multiply greatest 3-digit number 999 with the smallest digit, 3-digit smallest number is 100. That means 100. The number we get, listen again, greatest 3-digit number is 999. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. That means 999 multiplied by 100. 999 multiplied by 100. Then 100 having 20. And 999 multiplied by 1. Right, we have to write down left side. That means B is our right answer. B is our right answer. You have to do in a rough notebook this one. Now, but this exercise you have to take in book and do in book only. Now next one is, if 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13, the product is 1001, then 11 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 7 is, which fact we have to apply here? Which fact? Yes, when we interchange our digit, then product will be always same. The product always same. Here they have changed the digits. 13 they have starting 11 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 7. But they interchange the numbers. That means no effect in our product. If we interchange our numbers, the product will be also same. Here is product 1001 and here is also 1001. Now next is 5000 multiplied by which number to get 1000? 5000 multiplied by which number we get 1000? 1000, then yes, 5 2s are 10. That means here is, just imagine student how to do this. We have a shortcut. Here is 20, then you just cross the 20 just in your mind. Then what number is left? 10. That means 5 2s are 10. Then we have to put here 2. We have to put here 2. Just 2, 2. You have to cut 2 0 here, 2 0 here. That means 5 2s are 10. We have to write here 10. That means 2. Then right answer is 2. Then right answer is 2. Not get it. Listen. This is 500. This is 1000. We have to 5000 multiply by which number we get 1000. Okay. We know that if product and multiplier and any multiplicand and with 0, that is very easy multiplication. We have to write here. We have to calculate multiplicand multiplier in a very easy way. See here, 500 1000. That means this is finished with 0. Then 500, that means 20. Here also 20. You have to cross 20. Then what is left? 10. Then in which, if you call the table of 5, when we get 10, 5 2s are 10. That means 2. That means here 2. Then we have to fill here 2. Now next is 6 dozen bananas is equal to dash bananas. But 1 dozen equal to 12. 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 That means 12 multiplied by 6, 72. It's a very simple. You have to learn only 1 dozen equal to 12. That means 6 multiplied by 12 then is equal to 72. Now see here. 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. They are giving similar numbers and similar numbers. This is a repeated addition. Then repeated addition is our multiplication. How can you do this? What number is 24? You have to write down first 24. They have written already. Okay. How many times 24 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write here 5. That means this one is a right answer, A part. I hope you all are understand. Yes. Now student, we have finished today our unit 5 full. You will practice each and every exercise of unit 5. After that, you have to do practice of practice sheet, and this practice sheet you have to do in your book only. Tomorrow we will start our new topic, and this is for your surprise.